we go. This is a tailored quickie. This is a courgette. This is a spiralizer, and I'll show you the other way around. There we are. There's a spiralizer. Quick tea, which is going to be really interesting. We've got some prawns, chilli, some garlic, and we've got some pasta. And we're just going to do a quick courgette meal. Have a look at this. This is a spiralizer, and that's what it does. All I've done is I've just cored this, so we've not got any of the pith in the middle, and it really is that quick. And just to do, we'll snap that off there. There might be a little tiny bit of pips left in. Soon take those out. That's not an issue. Just run your hands down like this. Move all that to one side there. So we have our king prawns. There's our spaghetti panini. We have our courgette, which you've already seen. Just get that butter to melt down. Okay, so we've got some butter melting, a little bit of oil, tiny bit of oil. That's all we need. Right, get our king prawns in. Get our garlic in. One green chilli. In with a courgette. And with a panini. The chopped parsley. A handful of Parmigiano Reggiano.
Give me your time, I'll give you some of mine. We don't need no plans. Take me as I am.